If you are ready to embark on an exciting international professional journey, Ireland could be the perfect destination for you. Hello and welcome to another new video. In today's video, I am delighted to share valuable information about recruitment agencies that can guide you in getting a job in Ireland, catering for both immigrants and locals. The best part? It's absolutely free. Simply submit your CV to these agencies, and they will assess if you are a suitable match for available positions. I will be introducing you to more than 14 recruitment agencies that can facilitate your relocation or help you land a job in Ireland. It's crucial to note that Ireland offers two primary types of work permits: the Critical Skill Employment Permit, C, and the General Employment Permit, G. The Critical Skill Employment Permit is tailored for highly skilled migrants who wish to work in sectors facing shortages, such as IT, healthcare, and engineering. Individuals with expertise in fields listed as shortage occupations can benefit from this permit. Notably, sponsorship is not required for this permit. Securing a job offer meeting a specified salary threshold is sufficient for self-sponsorship. On the other hand, the General Employment Permit allows migrants to work in Ireland, but it necessitates both a job offer and visa sponsorship from a willing company. This permit covers job sectors that are not included in the Critical Skill Employment Permit. Whether your profession is in high demand or not, you can work in Ireland with a job offer. If your job falls under the categories of high demand, you can utilize the Critical Skill Employment Permit without requiring sponsorship. Conversely, if your job is not in demand, the General Employment Permit is needed, requiring sponsorship from your employing company. The key is having a job offer, making the process accessible for a broad spectrum of professionals. So watch the video till the end for more information, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. The first on my list is Osborne. Osborne, boasting a wealth of 20 years in the recruitment industry. They excel in offering both temporary and permanent recruitment services, with a particular focus on IT, business, customer service, and more. I recommend exploring their website to gain a comprehensive understanding of the diverse expertise they bring to the table. Second is Engage Education. They employ people in the educational sector. So if you want to relocate, maybe you're a teacher and whatnot, then you have to engage these. Number 3, Recruiters, the premier local recruitment agency founded in 2006 and headquartered in Dublin, Ireland. They offer tailored solutions for both temporary and permanent contract placements. Specializing in diverse fields such as IT, technology, marketing, sales, project management, and general business solutions, Recruiters is your go-to partner if you're seeking employment opportunities in these domains. Don't hesitate to reach out to them for your career needs. Number 4 is Maria Logan, a distinguished entity with expertise in hospitality, catering, hotel placement, and staffing. Number 5, Sigmar Recruitment. A prominent agency with a presence in multiple Irish cities. Renowned for delivering outstanding recruitment services, they specialize in various sectors such as HR, legal, IT, accounting, finance, supply chain, and more. If you're in search of top-notch services, Sigma Recruitment is definitely worth exploring. Number 6, Action Recruitment. This recruitment, boasting more than 45 years of expertise in the recruitment field with a specialized focus on the hospitality sector. If you're passionate about pursuing a career in hospitality, don't hesitate to connect with them. Number 7, FFRS Recruitment. This organization offers a diverse range of services, spanning multiple sectors such as hospitality, healthcare, medical, IT, business, accounting, and finance. Whether you are seeking opportunities or talent in any of these fields, so if you're interested, you can reach out to them. Number 8, Real-Time Recruitment, focusing primarily on the recruitment of individuals passionate about the IT sector. If you're inclined towards roles in web development, project management, back-end, UI, or any aspect of the IT industry, reaching out to Number 8 is the ideal step to explore exciting opportunities. At the 9th position, we have Alan R. Consultant, an established entity operating since 1998. They exhibit a high level of expertise, particularly in the fields of IT, finance, and pharmaceuticals. Specifically, their focus on pharmaceuticals sets them apart. If your interest lies within these 3 sectors, it would be advisable to make contact with them. Number 10 is Approach People Recruitment, a distinguished international recruitment agency with a global reach beyond Ireland, extending its branches into countries such as France and Spain. Their noteworthy track record, as stated on their website, boasts assisting more than 700,000 individuals in securing their dream jobs. For those aspiring to relocate to Ireland, exploring opportunities through Approach People Recruitment is highly recommended. Number 11 is Shannon Recruitment, a leading recruitment firm in Ireland. If you are actively seeking employment opportunities, connecting with them is a prudent step. Number 12 is Agri Recruit. So if you need anything in the agricultural industry, then you need to reach out to them. Number 13 is another good recruiter to contact is Workaway Recruitment Agencies. So if you're looking to relocate to Ireland, regardless of whatever sector you're interested in, then you have to reach out to them. Number 14 is Kate Cowhig International. They deal majorly with healthcare recruitment. So if you want to work in the healthcare industry, then you have to reach out to them. And the last one is ReadSolution. ReadSolution stands out as a leading recruitment agency, offering both temporary and permanent staffing solutions. This globally acclaimed agency is headquartered in Dublin and specializes in various sectors such as business and leisure, hospitality, marketing, technology, and legal services. If you have an interest in these fields, including finance and business, reaching out to ReadSolution could be a beneficial step for you. So these are all over. I'm sure it's up to 14 recruitment agencies that can help you move to Ireland if you're ready to take action. A breeze advice for job seekers: as you embark on this journey, remember to tailor your CV to the job specifications. If they're seeking intelligence, make sure your cover letter reflects your strengths. Be realistic about your qualifications and match them with the job requirements. Closing remarks. So take this opportunity to make your family and country proud. Stay tuned for more valuable insights in future videos, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video across your social media platforms. It's all free and helps our community grow. See you in the next video.